have a conversation about conservation. What do you think the most important issue in conservation is?
I went to Malaysia this year. I went to Borneo, and I found out that in Borneo they have a big problem with deforestation.
Oh, I know deforestation is a huge problem all over the world, particularly rainforests, which have so much different kinds of trees and species that we've never discovered or even known about. I've read that these are disappearing at an enormous rate.
That's right. And particularly in Borneo, they're cutting down palm trees for oil, for palm oil. But unfortunately, this is the native habitat of orangutans.
Oh.
And orangutans only live in one place in the world, which is Borneo. So they're destroying their homes.
That's a shame. That's a shame. I've read that there are some places that are able to do something about deforestation. As a matter of fact, South Korea, where I used to live, I know that's one of two countries that I saw in some book of statistics where there's not a problem with deforestation, they're actually growing more trees. And that's because lots of countries, like in America, we have a day called Arbor Day, Tree Day, but nobody does anything for it. In Korea, they actually go out and plant trees on Arbor Day.
Well, that should help.
If everybody all over the world would do that, I think we'd be better off.
Sure. Another major problem, isn't it, is a lack of clean water.
They go hand in hand because the tree's roots hold the soil down firm. And so when it rains in the rainforest, if there's trees' roots, the water goes down and penetrates into the ground and stays there and gets into the groundswell. But if there's no trees, there's no roots, the earth is very shallow and dry, the water will just run off.
Is there anything you think we can do, that normal people can do, to help this problem of deforestation and so people understand the importance of water?
Well, yes, it's certainly up to us to try to save the planet. Sounds big to say that, but our sons are still such young boys, they can't do anything about it. And if we want them to grow up and have a planet where they can go and see orangutans and do things like that, then they certainly need to take more care of the planet.
Okay.